come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into Dollar Arena, the Arena token, a new crypto coin, and how to buy it on the AVAX blockchain using an app on MEXC Global and Avalanche DAPP. We'll cover the key points related to buying AVAX, the dedicated app, MEXC Global, and the Avalanche DAPP itself. First, let's understand what Dollar Arena token is all about. We'll explain its intended use case, for example, might be governance, rewards, staking, or even in-game currency. Next, we'll look at how the token operates within its ecosystem, detailing its specific features and functionalities. And lastly, we will cover the tokenomics, giving you information on the total and circulating supply, token distribution, and whether there are any burning mechanisms or inflationary aspects. ETs discuss why the Avalanche or AVAX blockchain is the chosen platform. We'll highlight AVAX's advantages regarding transaction speed and scalability, explaining how it processes transactions quickly. Then, we will compare AVAX's low transaction fees compared to other blockchains, which make it efficient for microtransactions. Furthermore, we'll discuss the blockchain's security features and its level of decentralization. Finally, we'll explain how Dollar Arena benefits from being part of the compatible Avalanche ecosystem. EXT, let's learn how to purchase Dollar Arena on MEXC Global. First, we'll provide a brief overview of the MEXC Global Exchange, mentioning its availability and how user-friendly it is. Then, we'll take you through step-by-step instructions on how to create an account and verify it, ensuring your account is secure. Then, we will explain how to deposit either AVAX or USDT into your MEXC account, ready for trading. Moving on, we'll navigate the trading interface, showing you how to place buy orders for Dollar Arena. Remember to use security best practices such as enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, and using secure password management. Now, let's examine the Dollar Arena Avalanche DAPP, the application. We'll describe the DAPP's key functionalities, which could include staking, governance participation, or even an NFT marketplace. Then, we will provide clear instructions on how to access the DAPP, including the website link and any browser extensions that might be required. We'll also touch on the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, highlighting the DAPP's user-friendliness and ease of navigation. We also want to emphasize safe DAPP usage practices, such as verifying contract addresses and considering the use of a hardware wallet to safeguard your funds. If you prefer an alternative, decentralized approach to buying, we'll cover that too. First, we'll walk you through setting up a Web3 wallet, like MetaMask, including installation and configuration instructions, and emphasizing the importance of securing your wallet with a strong seed phrase. Then, we'll give you detailed steps on adding the Avalanche C-Chain network to MetaMask so that it can interact with the Avalanche blockchain. Next, we'll discuss how to acquire AVAX by purchasing it from a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase, followed by instructions for withdrawing AVAX to your MetaMask wallet. Then, we'll guide you through using a decentralized exchange or DX, such as Trader Joe or Pangolin, showing you how to connect your MetaMask wallet and swap AVAX for Dollar Arena, and we will provide an explanation of slippage tolerance. To protect against scams, it's crucial to verify the Dollar Arena contract address, so we'll show you where to find the official address. Now let's circle back to Dollar Arena as a new crypto coin. Because it is a recent launch, we'll discuss the early stages of its development. As a new coin, we need to acknowledge the potential for both high returns and the significant risks involved, so we emphasize the importance of due diligence and responsible investment. Finally, we'll provide you with links to the official Dollar Arena website, social media channels like Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, and information on the ongoing development efforts and community engagement. In conclusion, we've covered the essential aspects of Dollar Arena, the Avalanche-based token, We encourage you to do your own research, DYOR, before investing. Remember, cryptocurrency investment carries risk. You can find more information through the official website and social media channels mentioned previously. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.